Hello and welcome. I am Tahir from tocreateablog.com, and we have published some in-depth guides at our blog tocreateablog.com, and you can read these guides how to start money making blog, how to use WordPress, and how you can increase blog traffic, and we have published some other in-depth guides at our blog. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install WordPress on your local host. Actually, I am using a Linux distribution. It's called MX Linux, and it's very simple and easy to install WordPress here on Linux. First of all, you will have to download XAMPP server. So simply visit apachefriends.org and download XAMPP for Linux. You can download any version of your choice, and you will have to download WordPress from wordpress.org. After downloading WordPress, simply you will have to visit your downloads directory. Let me show you my downloads directory, and under apps I have this XAMPP for Linux. So now right click anywhere and go choose open terminal here. So now you can see this location, and now you will have to use this command. Let me show you how you can do this. Sorry, let's close this one. Here we have our file. So first of all, press F2 and then Control A to copy the name of your installer. Then you have to type this sudo chmod 755 and press Control press Shift press V to change permissions for your installer. First of all, you will have to use this command. Here you can see I have already installed XAMPP server. So this is the first command that I used. After running this command, you will have to run your installer by using this command. So in your case, you just need to use this and then your installer name. Your version might be different, so make sure you use your correct installer version. Now hit enter and you will see installation screen and complete the installation. Once XAMPP server has been installed, you can run your XAMPP server using this command using terminal. Let me show you. So if I stop XAMPP server and visit my localhost page in my browser, I cannot see anything. So you will have to use start. Sorry for the mistakes. Now if I refresh this page, I can see that XAMPP server is running. Now I will have to visit phpmyadmin page to create a database. Now visit databases page and type your database name. In my case, you can see I have already created a WP and some other database name. So now I am going to show you a new database. So let's create tcab. So to create a blog, this is a database name. Now our database has been created. So make sure you have also downloaded WordPress. If I go to downloads directory, I can find WordPress 5.3, which is the current version of WordPress. I can copy this and then right click anywhere and I can choose Open Root Thunar here. Now I will have to type my password. Let's go to file system, opt directory, lampp and htdocs directory. So now I can paste this WordPress zip archive here. I have already pasted this file here. So now I can just open this one and I can extract all these files in this directory. Now I can close this one and you can see this WordPress directory. So if you want to set up multiple websites, you should rename this to something suitable. So I am going to rename this to tcab to create a blog.com. You can see this error message, can't rename file name already exists. So we have this tcab directory here. So now I am going to open this directory. Here you can see wp-config-sample file First of all, you will have to rename this file. Rename this to wp-config. Now I have created a database tcap, so I'm going to use my database name. Username is root for Linux localhost, and then password is blank. Now save your changes by pressing Ctrl plus S, or you can go to file and save to save your changes. And now you can close this one. Now open your browser, open a new tab and visit tcap. In my case, I'm going to visit tcap, but you will have to use your name. So I can add site title, my username. This is a local site, so I prefer to use easy to remember username and password. Then I can confirm weak password. Let's add email address, and now I can click install WordPress button to begin installation. It will take only few seconds. Here you can see WordPress has been installed. Now I can log into my WordPress website. You can also click on this link, or you can open this page in a new tab to view front end of your WordPress website. This is our WordPress website. It is ready. I can access single post page. I can access sample page. But now I am going to show you how you can fix common errors in Linux localhost. Now I am logged into my WordPress dashboard. So first of all, let's fix some common errors. If you will try to install plugins in localhost, you might see some error, such as WordPress could not establish secure connection. If I go to plugins and add new page, now you can see some errors. We have this error: WordPress could not establish a secure connection to WordPress.org. Let me increase font size, zoom in, zoom out actually. So if you see these type of errors, you will have to fix these errors. Otherwise, you won't be able to install plugins from WordPress plugins directory, or you won't be able to install new themes from WordPress theme directory directly. You will have to download them manually to install them. So I found the solution to fix this error. WordPress could not establish secure connection. This is a solution from abyss.com at sfly. You can find this link. I will share these links in video description. So you will just have to install this sfly cur patch plugin. This plugin is available at WordPress plugin directory. Even though this plugin hasn't been tested with the latest 3 major releases of WordPress, but this plugin is working fine with WordPress 5.3. So you can download this plugin manually. After downloading this plugin, go to your downloads directory, and let me show you. Here you can see sfly curl patch. So I can copy this plugin, then I will right click anywhere and I can go to Open Root Thunar here. Even in some other Linux distribution, you can find the solution, or even you can go to this main menu and you will find a link. You might find a link to open your root file manager. In my case, I am using MX Linux, so I can right click anywhere and choose Open Root Thunar here. Now I can enter my password. Let's go to file system, opt, lampp, then htdocs directory, and this is our installation tcap. Now I will have to visit wp content directory, plugins, and I can paste this plugin here. After pasting this plugin, I am going to extract all these files. Now I can delete this zip archive. Let's visit our localhost page again. Now if actually let me show you. Let's open this page in a new tab so you can see the problem. Sorry, we don't want to install new plugin. First of all, we'll have to activate our plugin. So here you can see, now we have this sfly curl patch plugin. I'm going to activate this plugin. Now I have activated this plugin, but I can see some errors. Here you can see permission denied. Then we have failed to open stream, no such file or directory. So how you can fix these errors. Let me show you. It's very simple and easy. Hmm. So you will have to add these two lines. First of all, copy this line, because sometimes when you will try to install plugins in Linux localhost, you might see some errors. So we can fix these errors very easily. Now go back to root directory. Here you can see this is tcap directory. Open wp-config.php file. Scroll down, and just after this line, add this new line. Save your changes by pressing Ctrl plus S. Now you can close this one. And we have also some permission issues, so we can use this command chmod 777 to give recursive permissions to files. And now open this directory again. So this is the exact directory, tcap, my WordPress directory. I can right click anywhere and choose open terminal here. So you can see the exact address. Now I can type this command manually, or I can press Ctrl plus Shift plus V to type this command. I just need to hit enter. Now I can close this one. Let's go back and refresh this page. And now you can see we cannot see this error anymore. Now if I want to install a new plugin, I can visit add new page. And now you can see I'm able to find some plugins, actually all plugins from WordPress plugin directory. If I want to install any plugin such as health check and troubleshooting, I can click install now button to install and activate this plugin. Now it is installing. Let's activate this plugin. And yes, we have successfully activated this plugin. We can even delete our plugins without any problem. So you can see this is how you can install WordPress locally on Linux systems without any issues. I have also explained how you can fix common errors while installing WordPress on localhost. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe our channel for more WordPress and blogging related videos.